Hello there, welcome back to our tutorial series on YouTube, brought to you by O3 School's JAMB app. If you're yet to download the app, what are you waiting for? Quickly head to Play Store right now, download the O3 School's JAMB app, make your payments of 3,000 Naira for activation, and then start using. So today our class, the topic is God's covenant with Noah. God's covenant with Noah. We have said a covenant is an agreement between two or more parties. Now we want to look at the covenant God had with Noah in the Bible. This is documented in Genesis chapter 6 to 9. That's Genesis chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, and chapter 9. God's covenant with Noah is documented in the book of Genesis. So first off, we look at Noah's background. Noah's background. Noah was the son of Lamech. And Lamech was a descendant of Adam. Adam was the first man. So Noah was the son of Lamech, and Lamech was a descendant of Adam. Noah had 3 sons. Their names were given: Shem and Japheth. Noah's wives, her name wasn't mentioned. Neither were the names of the wives of Noah's 3 sons. So this was the story given to us on Noah, that he was the son of Lamech and he had 3 sons of his own. They were Ham, Shem, and Japheth. So now, as at the time of Noah, men were already beginning to fill the land, just like God intended in the beginning when he gave the instruction to the first man and woman, asking them to be fruitful and multiply. So when men were beginning to fill the land, God discovered that their hearts were very evil, like their hearts were very wicked, and he regretted ever creating man. And he then decided to destroy every living creature that he had ever created. But then Noah walked with God. So Noah was perfect and he found grace in God's eyes. God didn't want to destroy Noah. So he gave him instructions for an ark. God revealed his plan to Noah, his plan to flood the earth and destroy every living creature. But God wanted to spare Noah and his family. So God gave Noah instructions to make the ark out of gopher wood. The ark was made with gopher wood. And God asked him to cover both inside and outside with pitch. Also, the length 300 cubits. The width or the breadth 50 cubits. And the height 30 cubits. Then there will be a window on top and a door by the side. So God gave Noah these instructions directly for the creation of the ark. 300 cubits. I think they said a cubit is from the elbow to the tip of the middle finger. So that was measurement they were using then. So God gave him the measurement for the length, the width, the height, and then he told him to cover both inside and outside with pitch. And then there should be a window at the top, a door at the side. There would be like 3 decks, lower deck, middle deck, and the upper deck. God promised to keep Noah safe in the ark from the flood. So God then asked Noah to go into the ark. He went in with his wife, his 3 sons, the wives of the 3 sons, and the animals God had directed him to go in with. God wanted him to go in with them in pairs, that's male and female, of each animal that was ever created. God promised to keep Noah safe from the flood in the ark. So we look at the flood. After Noah went in as per God's instructions. God sealed them in and then caused rain to fall on the earth for 40 days and 40 nights. Rain fell for 40 days and 40 nights non-stop. And then the earth was full of water. The water remained for 150 days. The flood lasted 150 days. So God sealed Noah and his family inside the ark and then caused rain to fall on the earth for 40 days and 40 nights. Bible says the heaven opened and rain fell for 40 days and 40 nights. Then there was a flood, and that flood lasted for 150 days. So we'll look at God's covenant with Noah. After the flood lasted for 150 days, God now told Noah when to come out. God told Noah that he could come out of the ark with his family. So Noah and his family came out, and along with all the animals that they had gone in with. Noah then built an altar to God and offered sacrifices. This pleased God, and he promised Noah. God promised never to destroy every living thing again. He also promised not to curse the ground for man's sake. So God promised that no matter how evil the heart of man became, he would never destroy every living thing again, neither will he curse the ground for man's sake. He then used a rainbow as a sign. As a sign of the covenant. So whenever God saw the rainbow in the cloud, he would remember the covenant he had with Noah and all of creation, that no matter how evil their hearts turn or how evil whatever evil they commit, he would not destroy everything he has created again, and he would not curse the ground for man's sake. So that's God's covenant with Noah. First off, Noah was the son of Lamech, a descendant of Adam, and he had 3 sons. And then God wanted to destroy the earth because men were evil. He already saw how evil they were getting in their hearts, and he regretted ever creating man. So God wanted to destroy everything except Noah, because Noah walked with God. Noah pleased God. So God did not want to destroy Noah, and by extension, his family. So that was how God gave Noah instructions to build an ark. God gave him specific instructions, which Noah obeyed. And then God caused the flood. He caused rain to fall on the earth for 40 days and 40 nights non-stop, which caused a flood that lasted for 150 days. After the flood, Noah built an altar and made sacrifices to God, which pleased God, and God made a covenant with Noah and all of creation that he would never again destroy every living thing. Now we head over to the O3 Schools JAMB app to look for questions on God's covenant with Noah. But before then, if you learned a thing or two from this video, please like, share to friends that have examinations just like you, and do well to subscribe so that you don't miss our upcoming updates. So we search for God's covenant with Noah. So questions under this topic will just pop up. If you have not downloaded the app, please do well to download it again. In the covenant with Noah, this is a 1995 question, number 2. In the covenant with Noah, God equates blood with A, sacrifice, B, life, C, murder, D, food. The answer is life. God equated blood with life. That will be found in Genesis chapter 4. If you even have the app, you will see that answers to this question, reasons why that is the answer, are given. Next, we said the sign of the covenant between God and Noah for all future generations was, this is a 2001 question, number 8. A treaty of peace, B, bow in the cloud, C, cloud, D, circumcision. The answer is bow in the cloud, a rainbow, bow in the cloud. So God used that as a sign of the covenant he made with Noah and all of creation. That whenever he saw that rainbow in the cloud, he would remember his promise not to destroy every living thing again. This is another question in 2005, number 47. God's covenant with Noah after the flood is that he will A, never destroy the earth with flood, B, make him fruitful and dominate the earth, C, make him and his descendants great, D, make all creatures on earth serve him. God promised to never destroy every living thing again. So that will be A, never destroy the earth with flood. These are just a few of the questions on God's covenant with Noah. More questions for you on the app. All you have to do is download it from Play Store and activate. You have the app at your fingertips to practice, and keep on practicing till you pass your examinations. I will see you in the next class. Thank you.